Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion's board view. To begin, open Notion and create a new page, then select the board database type. You can choose to start with an empty board or select an existing database to display as a board. Give your new board a clear name, perhaps Project Tasks, and set up your initial columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done to organize your work effectively. Once your board is set up, you can customize it to fit your workflow perfectly. Add new properties to your cards, such as a priority dropdown or a due date field to capture more information. You can also group your board by these properties like status or assignee to get different perspectives. Furthermore, filter your view to focus on specific items, perhaps showing only high priority tasks, making your board incredibly versatile. Managing your tasks in the board view is intuitive and efficient. Simply drag and drop cards between columns to update their status, moving a task from To Do to In Progress with ease. To add a new task, click the New button at the bottom of any column and type in the title. For more details, open any card to add rich content, attach files, or even create subtasks, ensuring all information is centralized. To truly master Notion's board view, consider these advanced tips. Link your board to other databases like a Meetings database to create interconnected workflows and a holistic view of your projects. Leverage Notion's extensive template gallery to quickly set up common project types, saving you valuable time. Finally, learn a few keyboard shortcuts to navigate and edit cards even faster, boosting your productivity significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.